Looking to level up your mobile gaming in 2025? We've tested the top phone controllers to find out which ones truly deliver a console-like experience on the go. From sleek designs to pro-level performance, here are the best options you can buy right now. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. GameSir G8 Plus. This is about as close as you can get to strapping an Xbox Elite controller around your phone. It's compatible with both Android and iOS, and its comfort, build quality, and thoughtful design take mobile gaming to a whole new level. It features Hall effect sticks and triggers, so no stick drift or trigger wear over time, along with tactile membrane buttons and a superb D-pad. Magnetic faceplates let you swap out thumbsticks or rearrange button layouts to Xbox or Nintendo style. There are even 2 mappable back buttons and textured grips for extra control. The move to Bluetooth-only connectivity is a smart one. It now works perfectly with games like Call of Duty Mobile, which previously had issues with USB-C controllers. If you're serious about mobile gaming, this is hands down the best controller you can buy right now. Number 2. Backbone 1 2nd Generation. It builds on everything that made the original great and improves it in all the right places. The biggest change? It now works with more phones and phone cases thanks to swappable magnetic adapters. No more pulling your phone out of its case just to play. A small but very welcome quality of life upgrade. It also feels more solid. The bridge is sturdier with far less flex than before, giving the whole controller a more premium feel. The D-pad and face buttons are more tactile too, with improved feedback during gameplay. Other thoughtful features include a dedicated button for recording or streaming gameplay, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and pass-through USB-C charging so your phone doesn't die mid-session. Sure, the thumbsticks and buttons are a little small, but overall, the Backbone 1 2nd Gen is the ultimate plug-and-play controller for mobile gaming. Number 3. Razer Kishi V2. This is a big departure from the original, both in design and feel. Gone is the folding bridge with elastic straps. Instead, the V2 adopts a sturdier spring-loaded clamping system that makes it quicker and easier to dock your phone. It also supports slim cases, thanks to the included adapters.
The biggest upgrade?
The buttons. The new micro switches give everything, from the D-pad to the face and shoulder buttons, a satisfying, clicky feel that's a huge step up. You also get 2 mappable back buttons for added control, and the familiar analog triggers return from the V1. The Kishi V2 started with just USB-C, but there's now a Lightning version for iPhones, and if you've got an iPhone 15, the USB-C model works too. It's not perfect, there's no headphone jack, and the compact design may feel cramped for larger hands, but overall, this is one of the best plug-and-play phone controllers you can buy. Number 4. Scuf Nomad. This is Scuf's first mobile controller, and it brings everything we love about their console gamepads to the iPhone. It's got an ergonomic design that feels great in hand, with responsive Hall effect thumbsticks and customizable input sensitivity. The symmetrical layout will feel familiar if you've used PlayStation-style controllers before, and the rear paddles give you extra control for competitive games. Out of the box, the Nomad comes with concave thumbstick grips, but you can swap in convex ones if that's more your style. The only real downside? There's no pass-through charging. Unlike the Backbone 1, you can't top up your phone while you play, which could be a deal-breaker for marathon gaming sessions. Still, if you want a high-performance controller that feels like a true Scuf pad in mobile form, the Nomad delivers. Number 5. GameSir X5 Lite. If you're not keen on spending big for mobile gaming, the GameSir X5 Lite is a budget-friendly controller that delivers surprising quality for around $35. It features Hall effect sticks for longevity, laser-etched grips for added control, responsive membrane face buttons and hair triggers, plus a programmable turbo function. The USB-C port tilts for easy phone insertion and removal, and it's positioned on the left side. Great news for foldable phone users. GameSir also includes swappable silicone pads, so most phones can stay in their cases while you play. There are some trade-offs. Like many USB-C controllers, the X5 Lite isn't natively supported by Call of Duty Mobile, requiring screen mapping via GameSir's Android app. And the triggers aren't ideal for racing games. Still, for casual gaming, it's a fantastic and affordable choice. So, which is the best phone controller in 2025? Our top pick is the GameSir G8 Plus. It nails comfort, compatibility, and seamless gameplay. But if you're on Android or want alternatives, the rest are close contenders. Which one will you pick? Let us know below.